This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Cyberpowerpc model and the key components so you download exact drivers. Once done, create a Windows restore point and back up important files to avoid data loss. Next, open Device Manager and scan the list for yellow warnings or unknown devices to prioritize. Make a quick inventory: GPU, chipset, network, audio. Then go to Cyberpowerpc support or the component maker and download the matching driver packages so you're ready for the update phase. Now you install drivers in a logical order. Start with chipset because it affects device enumeration, then GPU to ensure display stability. Run each downloaded installer as administrator. Accept driver signing prompts and reboot when prompted between major installs to finalize driver layers. For stubborn devices, use Device Manager update driver browse my computer and point to the extracted driver folder. Make sure to install network drivers before online-dependent downloads. Once installations finish, let Windows finish configuring devices and move to verification. Finally, verify success by reopening Device Manager and checking each device has no warning symbols. Open Properties to read the driver version and date so you can confirm updates applied. Run Windows Update to capture optional driver packages and consider BIOS updates only if a specific issue is addressed. If performance problems or instability appear, roll back the driver from Properties or boot into Safe Mode and use Display Driver Uninstaller or similar to remove remnants. Then reinstall the correct package. One key tip: keep your restore point ready before risky changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.